ito na lang, Rita, because I wanted also to pay tribute to you. I will always remember you kasi kayo ni FM, you know, you stuck to your core, you stuck to your truth, at ito kami. Ito kami. That's why kanina I asked you about, are you able to talk about the babies, for example, being dull parents, for example? It was not easy.
Yeah.
It was not easy. But you stuck to your guns. Oo. Saan kayo humuhugot noon ng lakas? And even with Yesu, I mean, you know, sorry to mention his name, but sabi ko, you're a creation of both love and pain. Pero sabi ko, tingnan mo yung kaibigan ko niya, nakatindig pa rin.
Yes. God.
Yeah, di ba?
True.
Siguro dahil truth ang meron ako.
Panangga mo, no?
Kasi ano yung ibang tao, madali sa kanilang mag-judge na loka-loka ka, crazy ka, di ba? Yung
Yeah.
siraulo.
True.
Kasi, sorry, pero bobo sila.
True.
Maraming bobo ang
Makitid ang utak.
nagpipintas na tanga ka or
Yeah.
loka-loka ka if they don't understand what you're doing.
True.
At saka sa Pilipinas, boy, talagang maraming pintasero. Dinala namin yung dolls sa ibang bansa. Everybody was delighted. Iba.
Iba ang
Iba yung mundo.
reception.
Kahit sa aeroplano pa lang, yung stewardess, sabi niya, oh, your kids are the most behaved on this flight. Iba. Sabi ko, bakit sa Pilipinas ang tingin sa amin ganito? Dito, it's so normal. They're so positive. So may diferensya rin talaga ang pag-iisip ng Pinoy, sorry. Dapat nga magkaroon ng ng club for
Yeah.
doll owners. Kasi
Doll
may
parents,
mga taong
yeah.
lumalapit sa akin, patago. Miss Rita,
Oo, no?
may doll din ako. Nagse-celebrate din kami pag birthday.
Oh.
Sabi ko, ba't ka nahihiya?
Bakit
May
patago?
ganon. Oo. Sabi ko, okay lang yan.
Oo.
So, na-inspire sila that time. So, kung meron mang mga taong nag-isip ng hindi maganda sa akin, may mga tao ring nabuhay yung
Tama.
ano nila, yung...
They found their voice
Oo.
because you have your
Tsaka
voice.
yung alam nila na hindi sila mali.
Right.
Walang mali.